Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add shine effect animation to all buttons in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill to make it more professional, more engaging, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, if you wanted to learn Shopify store design, theme customization and development, then you can follow my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and we wanted to add shine effect with animation in all the buttons. Looks here, it looks like a general hover or just looks like a normal hover. Here also if I go to any single page or open this one, looks here. Also if I click on the add to cart, same effect. Okay, now we're going to add shine effect. Okay, to do this, first of all, we have to log in our Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Click on this three dot icon, edit code. Then search base, open base.css file. Scroll down and now we have to add code snippet in here. Where you will get this code snippet? Just check out the video description. You will find the code snippet link in the video description. Okay, then you will go to this page. I have already published an article about how to add shine effect animation to all buttons in Shopify, and simply click on here to copy all the code and go back, paste it in the base.css file, paste. We have also added a comment in here so that you can easily understand. Okay, then click on the save, asset save. Now go back my Shopify online store, reload. Wow, it's working. You can see that the shine effect is working right now. Okay, now okay, working in here also. Click on this product. Wow, so simple and easy. Also you can change the color from here. Here is the color code. You'll find it in this code snippet, so you can change the color as your requirement or based on your requirement. So I hope you understand everything. Also you can change the animation time like 1 second to 2 seconds, or you can reduce the animation time. So I hope you understand everything very easily and very quickly, and you can do this by yourself without hiring any developer and any coding skill. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.